All right, good night, son. There's a monster under my bed. There's no such thing as monsters. Go to sleep. I told you wouldn't believe. Shut up. Fuck you!
Is that the exit? What?
You guys say Colorado.
Hi, do you guys sell burgers?
You're a dumbass.
I'm gonna show you how to put this meatloaf in the oven in just 30 short minutes.
I burnt my entire house to the ground.
Hey, I bet you I can hit this nose.
No, please don't.